On today's episode of making peanut butter soup and rice balls in Ghanaian language called emutu and nkatenkwan. Let's cook. Mix a groundnut paste with tin tomatoes, a small amount of powdered pepper and water, and allow it to steam. You see the oil on the paste as it thickens. This means that it's ready to use it for your soup. Mix it with water, set it aside for the soup. Me steamy meat Now I'm using onions, I'm using some natural spices. You can have a blend of garlic, and then I pour this over the meat and I'm steaming it. Make sure your meat or chicken or whatever protein you're using is well seasoned. I added 1 onion for more flavor and pepper. Now I'm adding extra water to the mixture, which is the peanut butter mixture that I made. I realized that the water was too little, so you can add your desired preferred water to it. So now I'm gonna pour this groundnut soup base into the meat as we've already steamed it. So here we go. I'm gonna do that, and then we can start and leave this on the fire for it to boil and properly cook. Mix so you can have all the flavor going into the soup. Okay, we need the meat flavor, the chicken flavor in the soup. Now I'm gonna blend fresh tomatoes and dawa, and it is called African locust beans. If you have come across dawa before, this have a very strong flavor. I mean, very strong flavor that when you use it to cook, you can have the aroma on your hand for a very long time. Now I'm putting in some onga seasoning. Mind you, I blended the onion and the pepper with the tomatoes and the African locust beans. Now the soup is boiling and we are going to leave it on for just a little bit. Now we can see the oil on top, meaning our soup is ready. So I'm going to set this aside and start with my rice balls emutu. Now pour the rice into any pot that you have. Add a little bit of salt into it, your desired salt. Make sure you don't overuse the salt. Trust me, you have to gauge it and know how to use it well. If you're an African here, you know what I'm saying. Leave it on for it to boil, but we do not want the rice so hard. You want it soft so you can begin to stir it properly, and then we can make it into the rice balls. As you can see, blending and binding it. So now let's make sure we do this properly, because we really want a very smooth paste in the form of a ball, just as I said. So this is me binding the rice together. As you can see, take your time, bind it really well, because we need this to really be thickened. We do not want it in a way that when you're done cooking it and then you pour your soup into it, it just breaks. We don't want it like that. So just as you can see, I have it to the desired texture. So I'm gonna wrap this with the cling film. Usually the African way is to get the plain, I think, bags, but I don't have that, so I am using my cling film, and that also works as well. So now I'm gonna do this and set this aside and keep dishing it out into the desired number of balls that I want. So yeah, that is how you do it. Make sure you mold it very well, mold it nicely, take your time. As you can see, that is really cute. So let's keep wrapping this, and then I will set this aside. As you can see, I'm going in for the next one, and there we go. So keep doing this. Trust me, it's not hard. You can do this. All you need to do is to just be turning it around until it wraps properly. And there you go. I have 3 balls. That's what I got. Now the food is ready. I'm gonna dish this out. I just put 1 rice ball into my bowl. Going to dish out my soup, and then we are gonna taste this food. Trust me, this combo is delicious. I do not know if you've ever tried this food, but you need to try it. Try it. I mean, try it. You would love it. Don't judge it. Just try it. This is one of the delicious delicacy I think we have in Ghana. I love it. Emutu and nkatenkwan. Thank you for watching, and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to like this video as well. See you in my next video. Do not forget to smile.